house pushing marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a special marine warning for Lake Ontario from the Niagara River to 30 Mile Point until 3:15 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles west of Niagara River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Wilson, Fort Niagara, 30 Mile Point, Niagara River and Olcott. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.